How to do Hat Trick TEMU Method. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your TEMU application from your device and get logged into your TEMU account. You will land onto a page like this. At the search bar, type in Hat Trick. And as you do so, it will land onto a page like this. Here tap on Win My Gifts and start picking your first gift. Choose a color. Now let's go ahead and choose our second gift. Repeat the same process. Lastly, tap on Confirm. In order to receive all these free gifts, you have to invite your friends. So tap on Invite Friends to get energy. Also be noted that there is a time limit, meaning within 23 hours and 59 minutes, this code or this energy will expire, so make sure that you share with your friends before that time frame. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.